Hello, good evening everyone. This time I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it's of a webcam. And so I ordered a Logitech 920S webcam, and this is a renewed product from Amazon. So recently what I've observed is getting a renewed or an Amazon resale product, and in general renewed product is a lot more better investment just to have a better bang for your buck. So I've been recently getting a lot of the renewed products that you might have seen in my recent unboxing. But yes, let's get on with the unboxing for this thing and see what's inside of it. This is just an Amazon basic paper package. I'll do this only. I like things clean. Okay, so that's gone. We have the box, not the official Logitech box. It's a really good webcam, by the way, with a glass lens and everything like protectors and all that things. Let's just open it. It says Logitech C920S Pro HD webcam, if you can see. So it's just a plain white box, nothing special going on with it. How do you want me to open it? Not like this. What? Okay, so this is a little more complex than I thought of it to be. Don't know where this thing is getting stuck. Oh, is it like this? Okay. So here we have it. We don't have the official packaging, but we do have the webcam. It's in the paper bubble thing. Paper bubble wrap. There's the privacy thing. And let's see what else. So we do have the main webcam, and we have the cable as well. It's a USB-A cable, if you guys are able to see. It's not wireless. I was looking at it if they do give wireless options, but it's mostly just wired because of the high resolution and the high video quality they have to transfer through them. It's a HD Logitech. It's a glass lens, speaker, mic, and everything. It looks to be in a decent condition, and it's been like covered by rubbers or something, and this is a protector. I guess it goes something like that on it. I'll have to check through it, but yeah, that's oh yeah, it opens like this. But yeah, that's it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions or anything regarding this Logitech C920S webcam, if you want it for work or anything like that, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer you for it. And I got this for 45 without taxes and around 48 with taxes. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll drop the buying link for this in the description, and yeah, hope you have a good one. Bye.